special about yourself?
I was the first African American woman to travel into space.
When and where were you born and where did you live?
I was born October 17th, 1956 in Decatur, Alabama. And after that I moved to Chicago, Illinois with my family.
Could you tell us about your family?
My father was a carpenter and my mother was a teacher.
Tell us about your schooling.
After graduating from high school, I went to Cornell College and graduated with a medical degree. Then I joined the Peace Corps and worked as a doctor in Africa. I applied to NASA, but because of the terrible explosion of the Challenger, the program was stopped. I applied again 2 years later and was chosen.
What did you have to do to become an astronaut?
I always dreamed of being an astronaut. I applied to NASA, and out of 2,000 people, they chose me. I trained and exercised every day. I flew the NASA KC-135 aircraft that helped me get ready to go into space. After passing all the tests, I was ready.
How long did it take you to train to be an astronaut?
I began training in 1987 and went up in the Endeavour in 1992, so it took about 5 years.
Tell us about your first mission. Where did you go?
I traveled into space aboard the space shuttle Endeavour. I did many experiments inside Space Lab.
What kind of experiments did you do?
I tested the effects of weightlessness on people and animals. I used frogs, fish, and fruit flies.
What did you do after Endeavour's flight?
I taught college and formed a company that helps poor countries use medical equipment.
What is the Earth we share? What is the Earth we share? Okay. What is the Earth we share camp you started?
Kids learn how to do science experiments and solve problems.
And that's all the time we have for a flip